So y'all, we're gonna be using this, I've already kind of primed it. This is just a silver tray that I got from, I've had it in my stash and I've had it for a long time. It does come from the Dollar Tree, so it does have a little bit of, just a little bit of raised edge there. It's real pretty, actually. Decoupaged Queen rice paper, and this is kind of like a, one of those feed sack type. And I just want it for the color. I think it's got a stripe down the middle, and I'm gonna try my best to get it as straight as I can. I'm just scoring it right now. 100. Okay, I was trying to think if I need to. I may use a stencil on this. I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I want to come over that lip or not. I think, let me just see if I like this. If not, we'll trim it. We'll trim it back. Okay, so I'm going to use my Decorator's varnish. My Decorator's varnish. I get this from Decoupaged napkins. Decoupaged napkins. All right. So we look like that. So here I want to, I'm just gonna, y'all, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for a different color on here. I'm gonna use this blue Java banana. Blue Java banana. And that is, look how pretty that is. It also has this one that's tropical. Oh, so this one and this one, look. You can kind of, oh, my lighting's not great. So this one is a little bit, it's got like a little bit more of, this one's brighter. Okay. So if I need to tone it down, I will. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go in. This has a little wax on there. Let me see. I think that would look good since we have that paper that color. This already has a little wax on it. Just kind of offloading this little brush a little bit. So this is what this looks like so far. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna set that aside. So here's our bird. Now he is in pieces because I broke him. Now this is not broken, but probably by the time I finish painting it all, it might get broken. So this is one of the little stems, and it's got some little flowers in there. This is a clay mold. I did not have enough of my Formflex to make this little bird, but yeah, I've already broken it. But look at the detail on that little bird. So this is, and I wish I had that mold so I can show y'all. It has two birds, it has all these stems, and look, and some leaves. It's got leaves on there too. I'm gonna put him together. It'll be like a puzzle. But then it has also these little flowers. So I've already painted these just to see what they were gonna look like. I like that. So we're gonna paint this bird and the stems and all the things. Probably this color here that we were using from Paint Pixie. So we got our little bird. Let's do the wax. We're gonna put some wax on these pieces. So if he gets to be to where he's just too camouflaged on the paper, we will brighten him up. Let's see how this looks. So I'm going to use some, and I'm going heavy on that because I think I'm going to need to. Rub and Buff, the gold, antique gold. Got 2 birds on it and some leaves and some stems and flowers. Okay, let's see how we're looking over here, and maybe two. Okay, this is not finished. I'm gonna go over this as well. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do that real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this as well. Let's see if we can get this down. I think I'm going to put him down first and we'll work around him. Okay, so I'm just going to spread this type on. You can use whatever you have. I don't know if I want to do anything on the inside. Y'all think pearls? Definitely we'll have to bring him out. I don't think he's quite, I may have to do a different color now that I'm looking at it, but I'll do that later. Let's put the bling. Let's put the bling, 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 bling. Okay, so of course he's going to have a crown. He will have a crown. And we are going to we're going to put some of these Valentine, the Valentine mystery bag. So this one has pink on that side. I didn't realize it because I was wanting it for that side. So I think I'm just going to put that there. We're going to use it on the other side. Okay, let's put this down. I'm going to use the fabric tag too. So here you go. I'm going to fix all that. So this is our little, I don't know, mixed media piece for tonight.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.